Hello friends, now we are going to start a new topic, creating a blank database, okay, in Microsoft Access. And the last topic we have discussed how to start MS Access, right? And if you're facing a problem, you can see my link. Okay, so you have entered in the home screen, home page, and that database we have designed as a we have created with the name as a employees, right? So in that given database name employees, I want to create a table, right? So I'll click on the create tab, and then I'll click on table option, right? So in the table one by default created, right? So I want to use this table. So first of all I'll click on right data sheet view, and then data sheet tab, and then we'll click on the view option. Okay, and in the view option there are two view. First is a data sheet view and the second is a design view. So first of all we'll use a design view because we want to set the design of the table. So we'll click on that design option. So the one dialog box will appear, that is a save as and table name. So by default the table name is a table 1, and after that if you want to change the table name, so you can change the table name here. So database is a employees, so I want to type here employees, okay, underscore info, info, right? So my table name is a employee info. After that I'll click on that OK button. Now you can see here your screen is changed in a 3 columns, and the first right column name is a field name, the second column name is a data type, and third is a description, right? And you can see here the in first field name and the first row, that is a ID, means the first row is displaying here as a ID, and before the ID there is a one icon, one symbol as a key. So this key is indicating as a primary key, right? So we don't want to discuss about primary key here now, so we'll click here. So the primary key is off, and after that in this view we'll set the field, means the field name. In this field we'll set field's name of employees, data type, the second is the data type. So data type tell us which types of data you want to store in the given field, right? And the description field, this is an optional, and if you want to type information, so you can type about field name, okay, like this. Suppose that this is my first field and I want to write here we can use here caps emp id, okay, and emp id I want to write in a text. So we click here drop down arrow, and there are number of data types given. So the first is text, memo, number, data type, currency, right? So text means we want to store text value in a employee code, and if you want to use a number in employee ID, so you just select here employee number data type, right? So I want to type as a text, and text data type is used when we want to type text and number both, right, in the given field. So we can use a text. Description, that means you can just describe about field name, like here emp dash id means, okay, means this is a employee id, okay. So just we can say about field. Now the second is a e name, and this e name means employee name. Also I want write in a text, so I'll write here text, okay. And here address will also write in, right. I want to take date of joining. So for date of joining I want to use here date and time. Okay, so that's it. I want to write these information in the given table. Okay, employee info. So first of all I'll set a fields name and then set the data types, and description, this is an optional. If you want to write, so you can write about a field name, or there is no need to write, so you can just leave it as a blank. After that again I'll go on this view option and then click data sheet view. Okay, and we'll click on the data sheet view. We'll see here one message here, you must first save the table. Okay, and you want to save the table now, we'll click on the yes. After that we can see on the screen our table employees info table is changed into the given field. Like first is EMP ID, that is a employee ID, E name, that is a employee name, the third is the address, and the fourth is DOJ, that means date of joining. After that the first row displaying as a cursor. After that you can write here code, like I want to write here E001, that is a employee 1. Okay, next is a name of the employee, you can write as a Sanjay Singh, address like a Valley, and date of joining, and we will click on this field. So now you can see here beside this you can see the calendar option, and you can just click on that. Now you can see the calendar and you can set the date of joining. I want to set the date of joining. Okay, you can click in the month, right, and then 15, like a 15 Jan 2020, right. So you can click on the next. For next we can click tab button from the keyboard, and after that we can write here second detail of the employee, and Karan Kumar, this is the address is of suppose that Noida, and the date of joining like okay, like 20, and suppose there is a 20 May, so just you can change here 20 Feb 2020. Next is again we can write here employee is a 3rd, right, and employee name is a Pawan. Okay, Singh, address again Noida, and the date you can set here 14, just we can change your date 3. Okay, now next employee is employee 4. Okay, Kiran Kunal Kumar. Okay, this is also from Noida, and then you can set here the date of joining, right. So this types of this is a process to enter the record in the database. So we can say there are 4 records, employee ID 1 2 3 4, and there are 4 fields. I want to type as a new record. We'll click on the employee ID, like employee name is a Pooja Sharma, this is a right Rudrapur. Okay, and the date of joining, just click on that, right, 1st May, right. So this types of information we can store in a table, and we can create a database in a Microsoft Access. Okay, and suppose that we have 4 fields, and after that I want to join a new field in the table. So suppose that I want to join here, after the joining date of joining I want to add a new field. I'll click on the view option and click on the view Okay, and now see, after the joining you can click here, right, salary, add a new field, right. So I'll set here field name and set a data type like a number. Okay, description field, no need to write description. Okay, again I'll click on the view option and then data sheet view, and we'll save this. Now you can see here a new field has added as a salary, right. And suppose that Sanjay got 20,000, right. I can write here 20, right, 25 something, just you can here write salary. Okay, so this is a process to process to insert a new field in a table. Okay, and no need to save the table because MS Access provide a facility by default or automatically saved our data in the database. Clear? That's it. Thank you.